Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum friends. Welcome back to my channel, Best Jewel Collection. Friends, I hope you all are fine and doing well in your homes. So friends, as you can see that today I'm here to discuss such a very beautiful collection of choker necklaces for you. So I hope that you like this beautiful and attractive fashion video of my channel also. So please guys, watch this beautiful video till the end. As you can see that in my video, you can see just choker necklaces, and it's a very beautiful Indian jewelry. So basically, what is a choker necklace? Guys, in my videos you can see some characteristics and already much about their histories and many much about their characteristics and their importance in your daily life as well. So guys, what is the meaning of a choker necklace? I'm just telling you the exact meaning of a choker necklace. A choker is a style of necklace, as we all know that we wear these type of chokers as we are going in a Mehndi ceremony or any type of Mayo ceremony of your friends and of our family members. So you can wear, and we wear these type of chokers in these type of incidents. So as you have seen, it is worn around the neck, we all know that, so touching the skin rather than local necklace, which dangle as well. So as what it means when a girl chooses to wear one, it means they like the style or perhaps received it as a gift and want to please the gifter by wearing it as well. And guys, as I told you, the perfect and the exact meaning of a choker necklace is, and that how could you wear and why girls purchase these type of necklaces, these type of choker necklaces, I tell you before. So please guys, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing all videos, and thank you so much for your love and for your support as well. And I hope that you are interested in my video as well. So guys, if you are interested and you are enjoying this video, subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing my old videos, and thank you so much for your love and for your support as well. And guys, if you want to see any other type of fashion video, any other type of jewelry accessory, that how could you purchase, or you must know the exact place or an exact shop, that how could you wear and where do you want to wear these type of choker necklaces, so you can tell me and you can comment me in the comment box. So inshallah मैं आप लोग को ज़रूर बताऊंगी. Take care of yourself and your family guys. My video almost has been ended. मेरी वीडियो खत्म होती है. इसी के साथ साथ अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिए, अपनी दुआओं में मुझे ज़रूर याद रखिए. Please remember me in your special and beautiful prayers as well. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz guys. See you soon. Bye bye.